In the vibrant streets of Kingston, Jamaica, GoldKingdom was known not just as a speedy bike rider, but as a legend. His blazing wheels zipped through the city like lightning, weaving past market stalls and dodging cars with ease. But GoldKingdom's real secret was his bike, a sleek, custom-made machine gifted by his grandfather, an inventor who believed in pushing the boundaries of science. One hot afternoon, as GoldKingdom raced along the shoreline, he noticed something strange, a shimmering, pulsating light emanating from a hidden alley. Curious, he biked closer and discovered a strange device, a glowing, orb-like object embedded in the wall. As he touched it, the device activated, enveloping him in a bright, humming aura. Suddenly, GoldKingdom found himself in a different world, a futuristic Jamaica, where towering structures floated in the sky and robotic palm trees swayed to a mysterious beat. The city was alive with advanced technology, yet still echoed the soul of his homeland. A holographic figure approached him, an AI guide named Taj, who explained that GoldKingdom had triggered a portal to a parallel universe. Taj told him that the device was a quantum gateway, designed by scientists from the future to explore alternate realities. But it was unstable, and only someone with fast mind and fast wheels could navigate it safely. GoldKingdom, with his unmatched speed and instinct, was chosen as the rider to stabilize the portal and find a way back home. With a gleam in his eye, GoldKingdom mounted his bike, now upgraded with futuristic tech, and sped through the shimmering cityscape. Lightning fast, he dodged digital obstacles, racing through layers of time and space. His quick reflexes kept the portal from collapsing, allowing him to return to his world just as the device flickered out. Back in Kingston, GoldKingdom wiped the sweat from his brow, knowing he'd just experienced a ride beyond imagination.